Next up, diffuser, because it diffuses things and stuff. It's science. I have no destructions. I have no idea how to put this thing on. And it be for this super duper car, 2012 WRX. I got no destructions for this thing. I looked online. I figured out it's Strafe Design. They don't have any installation instructions online for this. No PDF files, no printable files, nothing. I could contact them, but what for? They'd probably just spam the shit out of me or something. So I guess I gotta guess. Look at that gap. This bumper's not flat and the diffuser thing is, so it's not going in the way I would want it to. Yeah, there's a big chunk of plastic up here and it looks like it's the bottom part of the inner fender. It won't allow this thing, that stupid grommet, to go up there. Okay. These are the little rubber snubbers they give you, and these holes right here, there's a plastic panel on the top, and it won't go through and crush. There's not enough room for it to crush. It doesn't want to work. So I went to the hardware store and I got two longer ones. So whatever aftermarket guy built these, he should probably do something different. I didn't buy longer screws either. I probably should have. I saved myself a trip to the hardware store, and I got some Allen bolts from an old Harley build that I did. So they're chrome. The chrome will get you home. That's why you use chrome, because it'll get you home. Alright, this better work. If it doesn't work, I'm jumping it. Fast. Let's see if I can drill a hole through a tire. Oh, I missed the tire. I don't think I hit a tire. In case you're wondering, these are half-inch holes. Just like the others, these don't like to go in here, so I'll put a little silicone on them and they fall right in like magic. Hopefully they don't sit and spin like magic because I put silicone on them. He's got machine screws that screw into your tire. I'm going to put the machine screws in first because these might fall out if I just start them and stick them up there. You don't want to get these tight either. These ones that go in a fender well, you just want to snug them up because it's just really thin material. You know what? I think I just heard the tire go. I think I just popped the friggin' tire. Yes, I am brave and stupid. I think I blew the tire. Anyways, there's your small game decapitator. I thought I heard some funny rubbery noises, but it's still holding air, so I don't think I put a hole in it.